Welcome to our today's session. And today I would want to teach you guys something exciting. It's called Xlookup. Xlookup is powerful. It basically replaces the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and many other lookup functions. And here I have data that I would want to just use to teach you something very nice. So for example, we have apps versus their revenues and profits. And then of course, these apps and the divisions they come from. You may get a question where somebody tells you to come and just look up for example, one app, which is Facebook, and get the division from this table, and at the same time go to the left and get what is the profit. You see, like now VLOOKUP can't handle this because VLOOKUP is always from left looking up to the right. But if it's Xlookup, this is what we shall do. You simply come and tell us equals to activate the cell Xlookup tab. Lookup value is Facebook. All right, that's what I'm looking for. In this case, I want the division. So come here and select, in this case here, the column that has got Facebook. Select it down like that, and then you should be able to say comma there. Once you say comma, all right, that's the lookup array. They want us to give them the return array. So return array, it is this division. So utility down like that, and then you should be able to close bracket. Once you close bracket like that and say enter, it's giving us that FB comes from the game division, you can see. And then at the same time, come and use the Xlookup, move to the left, move to this table that is on the left here, and give us the profit of FB. So equals Xlookup tab, and then lookup value is still Facebook, comma. Then they want us to give them the lookup array. So the lookup array, we are looking up this FB here under the profitability, but where FB is. So I'll come and say Control Shift down there, and then I should be able to say comma. Then the return array is the profitability here. The profits there, so Control Shift down. I should be able to highlight like that. And then I should be able to do what you have to close brackets. And once I close brackets, I'll be able to see that the FB returned a profit of 802. And this thing is very dynamic, because if I come and change here, for example, and look for a game called Aviator, when I type Aviator up there, Aviator up here, now you should be able to give me information really very fast about Aviator without me doing anything. So like Aviator comes from which division? From productivity. And the profit of Aviator is what is 1166. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Joshua Aura. I teach at RCM Online College, where we have CPA, like the CPA class are starting today. We have the CFE. And of course, as an accountant, you need a lot of, rather to handle Excel seamlessly. So if you want to study Excel with us, please don't hesitate calling us today. 0719 525 000. 0719 525 000 is our number. Thank you very much, and bye. And of course, I would expect you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video.